What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. As you can see right out of the gate, we got us a new truck. This is Sexy Silver, the 2nd gen. Oh boys, let me tell you, what a world of difference driving this thing compared to Big Red right here, the old 24 valve. Diesel Auto Power is having a huge tax return sale right now. Started on February 18th and it ends on April 30th. So if you guys have your tax return already or you're about to be getting that tax return back, definitely call those guys and let them know that Josh at Pure Panorama sent you. Take full advantage of this sale and don't miss out. I'm just gonna come out and say it right now in the beginning. No, we did not buy this truck. This isn't one of mine or anything. We are currently driving Sexy Silver because the 24 valve has some stuff going on right at the moment. There's actually been some stuff going on with the 24 valve now for about the last few months, and I've known about it. It wasn't too bad back when it first started, or at least I didn't think. I thought I had a little bit of time to ride it out, or at least that's what I was hoping for. I was hoping to get through the rest of winter, get into springtime. We have the warmer weather here, all this white stuff on the ground. I was hoping that that would be gone, long gone, to be honest. And then I was intending on getting into the issues that the Cummins has developed as of recently. It's funny, and there's a little bit of irony to what I believe the problem is with the truck right now. And the reason I say it's funny, well, it really isn't funny. It's quite sad and depressing. But the reason I say it's funny is because if you guys remember a little while back, I mentioned a project that I wanted to get into here on the channel. The project that I'm referring to is actually a larger project, a bigger project that I personally feel is gonna be excellent video content. It's gonna be great content for you guys to watch, awesome learning material for myself and a ton of you guys out there, and I'm sure a bunch of you guys would actually be able to help me with this project. But I'm 100% certain that you guys are gonna love the project that I'm talking about. I'm not gonna go into too many details as far as what that project is, because I'm actually in the process of hammering out details on that right now. I have been planning on this now for a little while. I wanted to do it quite a while back, but things kind of just didn't pan out that way, and I wasn't able to get everything together. As of recently, I've had the thought again of wanting to get back involved with this project and make it happen for you guys. So that's what I've been working on. With the lack of uploads and the slow upload schedule, I have actually been working on a few things in the background, trying to make a few things come together so that I am able to bring some more exciting projects to you guys this spring and this summer. A lot of you guys have been requesting some slightly larger modifications to the truck, and I want you guys to know that I see that, I hear that, and I'm not opposed to doing all of the stuff that you guys request. There's some things that no, I absolutely want nothing to do with, but there are a bunch of stuff that you guys list off that I've already had on my mind, things that I've already planned for, and just need to figure out which time is best to do that stuff. So I am currently talking to a few different people at the moment, trying to get all these things together, figure all this stuff out, and hopefully be able to bring these projects to you guys, because I want to make this summer a little bit different than last summer. We were on a roll last summer as far as uploading goes, and I feel like I put videos out on a ton of different topics, but this summer I want to try and change it up a little bit. I still want to cover a multitude of topics, but I also want to try and hone in on a few specific topics alone. As for the truck and what's going on with it, what's wrong with it, I should say, I haven't had much time to really take a look at it, but I have my suspicions, and I know where I'm gonna start to look once I get the time to do so. We're gonna have a couple of warmer days here tomorrow and Friday, and then I think it's gonna kind of drop off a little bit for the weekend. What else is new? It always does that. As soon as I have a couple days off, the temperature seems to tank, but we're still gonna try and get out here and take a peek at a couple different things just to see if we can confirm our suspicions on what is wrong with the Cummins. Once we figure out more with that, I will obviously relay that information to you guys and keep you up to speed on all of it. I'll keep you in the loop on the projects and the things that I'm working on for the summertime, but I'm definitely trying to do things a little differently this summer, so I hope you guys are smashing that thumbs up button. Just trying to change it up a little bit for you guys, try and make things a little bit more entertaining and bring you some different styles of videos. If you have not subscribed yet, I highly suggest hitting that button right now and turning on those post notifications so you guys never miss a new upload. Join the family. Like I said, we are working on some stuff right now in the background that if we get it all finalized and wrapped up, You guys are not going to want to miss it. So just hit that button right now, become a family member. We got some awesome guys here on the channel, and you should definitely become a part of it. Keep your eyes peeled over the next couple days for some videos on the old Sexy Silver 2nd Gen here. We're going to do a few videos on this thing while I have it in my possession. We're just driving it right now for work, only because the 24 valve is down and out for the moment. It's not really down and out, I guess, but I just don't want to stress it out anymore and potentially put it more in harm's way. But I'm definitely planning on making a few videos on this truck, possibly some stuff that I like about this truck, maybe more than mine, some differences between the two. One major one being that this is a gas truck, this is a diesel truck, so you can imagine right there out of the gate that there are quite a bit of differences between the two. And it's a world of difference to drive this one compared to this one. That is enough for me though. I am gonna get inside and open up that package that we just picked up from the garage door, which actually has to do with what I think is going on with the truck. So I'm gonna go crack that open and take a peek at that. I hope you guys have had an awesome day so far. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. Like I said, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on those post notifications. Don't forget about the links in the video description for AMSOIL, tools, products, everything that I use on the truck that you guys always ask me about is all listed down there, so you guys can get it for yourselves and put it on your truck or use it on your truck. I will hopefully see you guys soon with another new video. Peace.